Hello everybody, welcome to another video and another Stargate project. This time we will take a look at, well, a Stargate. And this time we will take a look at the Stargate Universe Gate, so the Destiny type gate, and we will take a look at a bigger gate, which will be 80 centimeters in diameter, which could be hanged on a wall. So, without further ado, let's go straight into Creo. So here we are, and this is the model. As you can see on the first glance, is basically just a scaled up model which I already created for my SGU gate back in past. But this one has one feature. If you remember, I already created 80 centimeter long gate or 80 centimeter in diameter gate, which already had a cable management and was already prepared for lighting of the chevrons. Here I did it the same way. So all the white parts of the chevrons are separate pieces with a space for LED lights, and there is cable management through the entire body of the gate, which, as you can see here, has the outlet here, so all the cables can exit through here. And yeah, just like with the previous gate, the idea is to actually hang it on the wall. Yes, it's not as detailed as the Milky Way gate, but that's kind of point for the Destiny gates. So what I at least did was to add those gold-like straps which are present on Milky Way gate, and yeah, we have it like this. It is designed so that there is no painting needed, everything could be printed in color. And I guess now we can take a look how it is actually assembled. So we start with these 9 pieces, and because of the symbols, they are all 9 unique pieces. And in order, yeah, and as you can see, they have here a lock and a hole or cavity for that lock. So you will basically connect all those 9 pieces together. And because the order is done by which the symbols are placed or their layout, you would have to connect the correct pieces together. And in order to do so, everyone has a special symbol in the end, and you simply put the same symbols together like this. And when you are done, yeah, and the symbols are the highest point of the print, so you can print it with pulse and change the filament to white. So yeah, when you are done with that, then you will add, as you can see here, we have those 3 pegs, and there you will simply add those 9 parts, and they have corresponding hole. So it is done in the way that you basically cannot really see that it is attached there. Yeah, so as you can see here, it has a hole, and yeah, you will connect it like that. Now, as you can see here, you have those holes, so you will insert the plugs there and plug here. Now, as you can see, there is this cavity and there is this hole. That's only because of the cables. That's part of the cable management. So you have one hole here, and you have a hole in the plug, and that's because you will then read the cable through that. So here it doesn't really matter, but I didn't want to have 2 types of plugs. So from this side, there's nothing special, but you can see the plugs, and here we have the bag. Yeah, and the bag has corresponding holes, so you will basically click the bag together, And with the front and the back consist of 9 segments. They are identical, so one piece printed out 9 times. And of course you will also attach the detail parts. They are the exact same as in the front. And now we can add the chevrons. So as you can see, here we have those 3 pegs, and the chevron itself has 3 corresponding holes. So I will add it like that, and the same to the back. And that's basically it. And now the chevron itself, how does it look? So yeah, we will take a look just at this one. So first we have this piece. This is one piece. Yeah, once again the orange or golden pieces are the highest one, so you can easily print it with color or in color. Then there is the white piece. White piece is simply slit inside, and as you can see here you have the opening for the light, and the idea is that you will put the LED strap somewhere here. Yeah. Then here this part of the chevron, once again you can print it in color, and last but not least you can see here those openings, and in them you will insert this piece. Yeah. It's divided simply for the convenience of the printing in color without using any MMU or AMS. Well, and that's it, and you will simply add those 18 chevrons all around. Yeah, and if you want, this is how it looks. Yeah, so as you can see here, we have the cable, so you will put the cable here and connect it to the LEDs. And that's it. So this is how you create it, this is how you assemble it, and now we will take a look at the actual print. Okay, here one correction which I forgot to mention and shown. So we have 8 identical segments, and 9 is different because it has the exit for the cable. Yeah, so this is basically the cable management that you have all around the gate itself. And as you can see, this is it. This is the printed gate. There's not really too much to say about it. Yeah, because for me it is a static model. I printed all the white parts of the chevron with normal white PLA, so it's not transparent, and thus it will not be lit up. But there's the power, there's the cable management, so it could be done like that. Yeah, as you can see, it is just laying there because I will take it to the showroom and hang it on the wall. But for now, it is just lying or sitting there. And yeah, well, some details. Yeah, and that's it. Yeah, and the other side is the same minus the white symbols. And yeah, that's it. So, rather simplistic print, I grant you, but we have it. And if you prefer the SGU gate instead of the normal one, now you have the possibility to print the big one and hang it on your wall. Alright, I guess that will be all, and we will see each other in the next project. Have a very nice day, and bye bye.